we got a hold of the wife, and a neighbor lady is translating for the wife that there are dead birds in the back of the truck, but these birds are not from his house. They drove the truck here with dead animals already in it. He begged for them to not have cross-contamination. They're in the process of killing his birds, and this truck already has birds, dead ones in it. So they're in the back. I just want to let you know the homeowner's wife has been notified. A neighbor that speaks Spanish and English, female, came over here to help and explain this. These are not her animals in the back of the truck. In the back of this truck has another household's animals, either killed this morning or left over from last night. I couldn't tell you because I don't know, but they're already back here. So I'm going back off for now, but when they do come up to the front here and let the owner know, because he gave permission, allowing them to do this. He begged for them to have their security, and they brought a truck that the tires were sprayed, but you can tell that the can is starting to spit. You know when you're getting to the end of the can when it starts to spit and splatter, that means your spray is not working real good. This truck was not washed. It was drove directly from a kill over here from another person's house. They lied to him, point blank, guys. They lied. And we let his wife know. He's been busy in the backyard with the kill team, and we finally got to get someone to get his wife to know. So, oh wait, here comes a neighbor. Our nice little neighbor here, letting them know. Thank you, neighbor.
I went back there, and I told them about the roosters back here.
Yeah.
They said, "How do you know that there's chickens there?" I go, "Show me the proof that there isn't there."
Thank you very much.
Show me.
And they have them zip tied like they always do.
I said, "Show to me, otherwise that there is no roosters there."
Proof.
Show proof.
Proof.
Show
You just
me.
asked for them for
I said-
security.
I said, so I told Lorenzo, so you could stop this right now. Now he's explaining to them that if they didn't cross the line, that there's a barrier basically. I'm out of breath. I gotta go.
No, thank you for translating and let him know and his wife know that they lied to him.
Yeah.
They're bringing
Because
dead animals
because
to
when
his house.
Because once I told him, he goes, "Oh, really?" I go, "Yeah, really." I said, "But show me otherwise that there's no dead roosters there. Show me otherwise."
Yeah, bust up in one of those bags. Thank you, honey. Thank you.
Oh, you're a hater.
Girl, you did good. You did good. You got their attention. You did good. Now it's up to, and now it's how they're going to handle this. Okay, the homeowner was notified by his neighbor. Oh, here comes his wife. What did they tell you? It's okay to say, I don't know Spanish, but if you want to say English or Spanish, it's either way. They
They
knew.
say that they want to move the truck.
They're going to move the truck, but they already diseased
I know,
his
I
street,
told
his driveway. They told you they're going to move
I say it's my property.
It's your property, and you know your birds are healthy, but you don't know what's in this truck. And this truck could be contaminated. It could, in fact,
Yeah.
I don't know how far the disease can reach when they're bagged already. That I don't know, but this truck has been at a site, and supposedly this is, all this disease. But take your pictures with your phone, get all your evidence right here, because those are not your birds. The animals in there are somebody else's. And when they take them, they're going to count it all as probably one shipment. They lied to your husband, to his face. He asked him to do biosecurity, not contaminate his yard. They sprayed on his plants a week ago, and they came here and insult him and bring dead birds when he asked for security. Take many pictures. I know they're in the process of the kill, and your poor husband's getting overwhelmed with everything. This is a homeowner woman. We noticed there's bags in the back of the truck, and we wanted to let her know, because they would have never told the homeowner. But we're here to tell the truth. And look at the tires. The tires are not washed because it has all the spray residue still on it. It's not washed. That's a dirty truck. Even the spray on the back of the truck, right there. The truck is dirty. Look it has dirt marks right here. This truck is, guys, this truck was never washed. They're supposed to wash these vehicles. This truck is dirty. Oh, look at the drag marks. Oh, gross. Oh my gosh. She's taking pictures, I'm taking pictures, so anyone delete anything, we got backup, baby. We got backup. You guys share this post. Share this post. Let people know they're lying to these families. They're lying. Oh, probably should get the picture of the driver of the truck. Don't worry, I got your picture earlier. But I'll get it when you come out, because you're not going to go far. Let's see. He'll come out. It's a hot day. He'll come out. And the lucky key holder to truck already loaded with dead bodies. Oh, public street, I get to walk up. Already loaded with dead bodies. He has time coming out. He has an audience. Oh, act like you're going to do security. Young guy, maybe 18, probably first job. Sweats, no whites. Oh! Okay. Security guard moved it, but this guy was the driver, a young guy. Young dude is the driver. I saw him before in the truck, so young dude is the one. Typical teenager. I don't need to do a couple of steps. I just bypass and do the other steps. He never took it to the dump. Didn't take it to the dump. And then continuing with teenage laziness, parked in the driveway. Now look at this truck here. Let's get a good look since I can't see the kill. This truck is sloppy. Sloppy. Mind you, the truck's never been used. Look how dirty it is. Footprints right here. Sloppy dirty. Truck is sloppy dirty. Got dirt. We got after spray. You know, the spray can starts to run out and you gotta shake it a few times. They'll do the splatter marks. Yeah. His can's empty. And didn't want to go get a new can. Some more little splatter spray. Alright. Gotta let my car take a little, phone take a little break here. But, alright guys, I'm gonna go off for just a moment till I get more information or find something new to tackle. Thank you.